if about 5 not emnati.
Ntate. Ke mang lebitso?
Ntsane Desmond Mopedi from Free State Paris to Maole.
Oh, this is we talk football.
We talk
You are
football.
again was South Africa.
I was quite happy with the result of the game.
Yeah.
The boys showed character.
Yes.
And above that, Mufiking was my man of the match.
Yes.
And I would like Pirates to take the league.
Yeah.
It has been a long.
Yes.
And Pirates don't league this time around. Thanks to the starting level that the coach has presented.
Yes.
The boys showed the character.
Yeah.
And therefore, we have managed to win the game. I'm quite sure that we will take the league.
Quite sure.
I'm quite sure that we will take the league.
Yes.
Irrespective of how Sanders plays.
Yes.
But we take it.
Must win your own games.
We are going to win each and every game.
Yeah.
Kadi 25 or 26.
26.
Paris 7, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you.
Yeah. I have to repeat that.
Kadi 26. Paris 7, Kaizer Chiefs 0.
So kajeno score usiboni jwang sona score 11 goals 5 goals kajeno ba rekile liba because ba le rekile TS Galaxy.
No, it was just a fake game.
Yeah.
And like I said, the boys showed character.
Yes.
Today, Orlando Pirates deserve to win the game.
Yeah.
They dominated from the first half till the second half.
Yes.
The boys were quite well.
Yes.
And they showed character.
Yes.
I'm quite happy with the starting 11 up.
Yes.
That the coach has represented.
Yes.
Thanks to Oduadu.
Yeah,
we are going to the next game. It's going to be 4-0.
Yeah.
Again. So now we are quite happy.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm quite happy for being given the chance to say after the game. And thank you very much as well to you for giving me the chance to say.
No, we also appreciate your time.
Yes.
Very
Even
much.
the next coming game, I'll be here in Gauteng.
On the 12th, they will be here.
I will be here.
Yes.
I will be here.
No.
It was always a pleasure to watch Orlando Pirates play football.
Yes.
We played quite a good football.
Nice football.
Yes.
No,
Thank you
you
very much.
C'est bon.
Bonga mina mtunda.
Yeah.